You?
Hello!
Hello
Hello
guys, to your
guys!
bestie.
Come with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about best motorcycle accident love year. Oh, masih
Galing ba
galing.
na?
Hmm?
Galing.
Apa nih?
Masih.
Yeah. As you learn about payment plans, best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA, most lawyers pipeline. So if you can't buy immediately, it is okay. So that you can get back to the routine of work once you help someone else. So it is the best that you know that you can get the best for your money. Get reference, it is a good idea. You get back to the routine of work once you have someone else. So it is better that you know that you can get the best for your money. Get reference. It is a good idea to ask your lawyer if he has any other clients, but make sure that you get other references too. For example, do they have insurance clients? Is he or she involved with a accident case in the same state as you are? Ask them this and don't make a decision on your own. Remember, reputable lawyer is one that has a solid reputation and will be someone that can bring success and happiness to you and your family. Get the name of the other lawyers. Best motorcycle as the lawyer in the USA wants to know the full extent of the injury. It is time to meet the other lawyer. If you meet a good one, he will recommend the best clinic in the area. Remember, this is the best one, and if it is not for you, you should definitely still clear. When you find your perfect case, best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA, get the phone number of the other lawyer and then call him to talk about your case. Ask him about payment plan and he can recommend the best deal. Remember, you do not have to settle for a low amount. There are many other ways that you can go about it when you are meeting a new lawyer. Be sure that you know everything about him. The first thing is to ask him to show you his certificate so he has a good track record and that he can be trusted. Next, be sure to ask some question about the bike accident lawyer. Next. Next up, Bell's motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA use some question about the forms before you meet them. For example, will he or she be there to take you to the hospital and explain the produce? Or will he or she take care of this? Do they have another lawyer so that you can have one that will handle the case on your behalf? Cause your best motorcycle accident lawyer Weasley. Oh. One of the things that will help you to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer is to choose the one that is not busy. A busy lawyer recommend that they are too busy for your case. Also find out what it is about the firms that is important to you. For example, if you find one that is helpful to people who aren't afraid of motorcycle, then you should know that he or she will definitely be a good person to go with. Ragnar.
Betul lagi.
Get to know lawyer, best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA. Once you have talked to the lawyer and find out his or her demands, It is a good idea to get to know more about them, talk to their office assistant and get to know the person that will be your new best friend. Talk to them about how he or she handle your chaos and get an idea if you will work well with this person. Best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA. Will you speak to your bike accident lawyers? Will you talk to your other lawyers? Hello. The motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA. If you get a better deal by taking to your other lawyer, then you do not have to speak to your lawyer about your bike accident. This will not help either of you. This might lead to you go to track another attorney and lose your chance of getting the best deal. The first thing you need to do is meet with a best motorcycle accident lawyer who will represent you and give you the best deal possible. The way to go about getting a motorcycle accident lawyer, it is a get a list of his or her plans and you can compare by doing this. We will know if the lawyer is a good fit for you. You will find that many of the lawyers just keep trying to get a little more out of you. These will be the lawyers who take on the case of a law fee and then want you to pay half fees as well. If they are really doing a good job, they will want you to pay for their fees as well. Remember, this is not the case with a good lawyer. Find a best motorcycle accident lawyer in their time. Best motorcycle accident lawyer in the USA. You must common time to have a bike accident. It's in the middle of the night or in the middle of a storm. There are times that the lawyer will not be there. This is why it is a good idea to find a good lawyer. What does the actual take place? Money insurance companies take them to settle claims. So you need a lawyer that can get you a fast statement. Okay guys, this is the discussion about best motorcycle accident lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And see you next time.